Last week on our episode, nakita natin how we installed the bilge pump, the switches, mga wirings, tsaka lights natin. We also would like to thank our first 100 subscriber na nag-support on our first few videos sa boatlifeph channel. So today, ang first na install natin is the boat cleats. In the nautical context, a cleat is a part of the boat where we tie up a rope to secure it on a dock or on a beach. This is our stainless cleat to be installed sa bow and stern of the boat. We always make sure na meron siyang silicone sealant para hindi tumagos yung water papunta sa loob ng boat. So under the hull, we secure it with the lock nuts. Another easy installation for our boat is. So ang next natin is our compartment doors. This is the boat when we first bought it. We have decided to put up a fiberglass doors to protect the battery and the gas tank from splashing water or waves. So what we did, a DIY doors from cut of marine plywood and wrap it up with fiberglass sheets. So this door is a 5 layers of fiberglass sheets painted, and we combine it with a wood framing para mas maging stiff and matibay yung ating DIY doors. The door hinge we are using are stainless steels with stainless steel screws. And now, we assemble it together. And this is the final product we are looking for. And now, i-install na natin yung mga compartment doors dito sa boat. So another DIY project done. Next that we are going to install is the drain plug. A drain plug is a plug that is located at the bottom of your boat's transom. When you remove this plug, water drains out. If you will replace it, it prevents water from coming back in. It is highly important that you remember to drain the water from your boat and then put the plug back in while your boat is back on land. This is a very easy to install. You just have to make sure to put sealants on screws and all over the drain plug, also to prevent seawater from leaking inside. And we are done. Next we will show you is the installation of our Bimini top. A Bimini top is an open front canvas top for the cockpit of a boat, usually supported by a metal frame. Most Biminis can be collapsed when not in use and raised against its shade or shelter from rain is desired. So in short, a shade for sunlight or rainfall.
Meron siyang zipper na yan ang gagamitin mo pag tiniklog mo siya dito.
Instruction manuals are included on the box for more detailed installation. It is just as easy as assembling a tent. After assembly, we drill holes for the brackets to attach the beam onto the boat. And again, more sealant for protection against leaks. And now, the metal frame is attached to the bracket. Install the stainless bracket for clipping the straps on. And now, our Bimini top is installed. Next is our boat seats. We will be installing two brand new seats in front of the boat. We also decided to do a DIY seat box under the boat seats for custom height and also to work as a storage compartment. Delivery just came in from Mactan, Cebu.
Magaan lang pala eh, oh.
These boat seats are made of expanded PVC. This material is commonly used in marine fabric upholstery like boat seats and cushions. It resists mildew, mold, and can be coated with antimicrobial chemicals. It's a cost-effective choice for marine fabrics. For our DIY seat box, I chose to go with marine epoxy coated marine plywood. This would take a bit longer to make because a lot of sanding and application is made to make it stronger and smoother. This is the finished assembly we want to achieve. So we assembled every part together and tightly screw it and apply more epoxy.
Hoy, halika. Ano yun?
And now, 2 seat boxes are almost done. So this is the bottom part of our seat box. We applied more epoxy, more sanding, more epoxy, and lots of sanding. Then we came down to the painting stage. Now, we combine the seats to the seat box cover.
Ba't may gato ka pa?
Also installed hinges for the cover. And now, we installed everything on the boat. And then the finished product. So you can open this one to check on the compartment. So this will be used as a storage compartment. And this is the 2 boat seats we installed. So again, we would like to thank you for supporting our channel by liking this video. And next is I made up a DIY boat ladder. These boat ladders make it possible to get back onto your boat after a swim, a fall overboard, or when boarding. So I bought this 10mm nylon rope for our DIY ladder. So the idea is to create a 3-steps platform from a marine plywood, attach it onto the rope by making hole inserts, then tie up the rope so it wouldn't slide. So I covered it with marine epoxy lots of sanding and sealing. And then we paint it. And then now we assemble it all together. So now we can go for a swim and climb this rope, getting back to the boat. On our next episode, I'll show you what stuff are needed to bring when we go out on boating. I also made a small table galley for the boat so we can start cooking good food. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. And please consider subscribing to our channel and hit that notification bell para ma-update kayo on our next episode.